Hello, I'm Michael. I'm the founder here at Catch Bigger Fish. And what we do is we help people like you, ambitious business owners, to find new clients, keep them, and become more profitable. We can do this in just about any sector, but I choose to work with manufacturing, engineering background companies. Reason being is I trained as a mechanical engineer some decades ago. And all of that teaching and studying has helped me to become what I am. It's what helped me to build a business, a successful business, and sell that business. I'm offering to help you to do the same with yours. Don't have to be selling. You just might want to grow it. You might have different ideas. Point is, I've got a big team and a good skill set. If what I'm saying is of interest and you'd like to know if I can help you become more profitable, grow your business, underneath here there's a little button. Click that button. It will take you through to a booking page. There you can select a time and a day that suits you, fill in the short form, come through to me. We'll be able to have a chat. Whether that be online or face-to-face, choice is yours. During that chat, you can ask me some questions, I'll be able to ask you some questions, and I'll be able to tell you very quickly whether I can help you or not, whether I share your ambitions, whether I can help you grow. So, if you're interested to find out, click that button and I'll tell you what I can do for you. Looking forward to meeting you.